Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting, you're highly welcome. And please loves, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and also hit the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload. Yes, today I'm super excited to share with you on how to make Suya spice. This is a very tasty Suya spice, and the secret to the Nigerian Suya we all know. So without the spice, there is no Suya. Wow, here are the ingredients we'll be using. Alright, so we'll be using these ingredients you've seen here, and you can use Suya spice for making Suya, meat Suya, chicken Suya, kilishi. Alright, so I'll be telling us the names of the spices. And the first here is called cloves. Right, hope you guys are seeing it. So this is how cloves look like. This is how it looks like. Then the next is dried ginger. The next here is called ehuru seed or African nutmeg. We're going to break it open to bring out the seed. This is called a fee in my dialect. This is called Jansa spice. Jansa. This is called control onions. This is the seasoning cube we'll be using. Fresh garlic. Salt to taste. This is dried chili pepper. Uziza seed or African black pepper. The next is kuli kuli. Yes, the kuli kuli we all know, so we'll be using it in this recipe. And finally we'll be using cornmeal. So this is called cornmeal. We'll be adding the spices in here, then mix and grind, all right, till it becomes powder. All right, so we're going to mix the spice in here, then grind them all together. So let's go grind it. So guys, here is the result of our Suya spice. So this is cool and tasty. Please, for the recipe measurements, visit Adasrecipes.com and also try out this recipe. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in my next video. Bye, loves.